all viewers. My name is Abdul Ghani Khan. I am in class 2 and just 7 years old. Today I will to show you my washing machine. I use an old can and switch, a 9-volt battery, a DC motor, a small pipe, cardboard box which wires with clip, and plastic bottle which I cut up. The can has small hole and through water. Please like, share, subscribe it of my new video. Thank you.